Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. We finally reached 100 subscribers, and it being Christmas, I decided to do our first giveaway. This is what we'll be giving away. So we'll be giving away one of each sticker, 2 different air fresheners, and some Eagle One cleaning products. So to be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below what you like about the channel or what you don't like about the channel. And in 5 days, I'll do the comment randomizer and we'll pick a winner. I know I haven't posted any videos in about 2 weeks. I've been busy with the holiday stuff and I'm also moving. But I assure you I will have some stuff coming very soon. So until next time guys, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy your holidays.
Christmas, come check out my wish list. Have I been a good boy? That's none of your business. I just want some good toys, can I get a witness? Got all of my homies yelling Christmas. Come check out my wish list. Have I been a good boy? That's none of your business. I just want some good toys, can I get a witness? Got all of my homies yelling Christmas.